Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write road safety rules in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First one is always wear a helmet when riding a bike or scooter. Number 2. Use zebra crossings to cross the road safely. Number 3. Walk on the footpath, not on the road. Fourth one, look left, right and left again before crossing the road. Number 5, always wear a seat belt when in a car. Number 6. Don't use your phone while walking or driving. Number 7. Follow traffic lights. Stop on red, go on green. Next one, don't play on the road or near traffic. Number 9. Use hand signals when turning on a bicycle. Number 10. Never get into a vehicle with a stranger.